Careful, Jason, because this thing won't go. I mean, this is loose on this side.
Last time on Road Warrior, we finished up the Ocala RV show and decided to take a little private cruise. Caro took the doggies for a walk in the Santos trails, and we looked at some more motorcycles. In fact, we were ready to pull the trigger on one. And we got tons of work done on our RV while we were staying at the campground. And after all of that, we needed a little relaxation. So we had some beers, hung out with the dogs, and we rode the mountain bikes around Santos trails. Our last morning at Santos Campground before heading to Optimum RV to get the final warranty items done and to get our cap resealed. Shitty business. God damn. We're doing this the right way, right? Right. He's like,
yeah. They know this. I was just told to make sure you slot it with the unit. I think
there's a will, there's a way. You just got to be smarter than the unit.
Yeah. You got one on me.
This time.
Okay. I saw that. I'm like, let me film. And while they do that, doggies are watching, supervising.
Here we go. Deja vu. See that little thing sticking in the front, that ball? That's what they used last time. And too much weight out front snapped it, of course. So they removed the Anderson hitch, and we are now hooked up to a fifth wheel.
And there goes our home.
After our rig was dropped the last time we were there, they had extra people supervising, spotting, and they did it the right way. It's hard to tell in the video, but the forklift is literally lifting off the ground from the weight of the trailer. Good. It's super stressful knowing that your home is being towed by a small little forklift, especially when it was dropped the last time.
Damn. You're good, you got a foot.
Hey, watch.
Yeah.
Going through the swamp.
Yeah, she's did you notice the forklift rear end?
No, I didn't.
Kept coming up off the ground.
Oh, really?
You got a lot of weight in this.
Well, we just filled the water tanks.
Well, see, that's why he goes, whoa, I go, what? He goes, my ass came off the ground. I'm like, yeah. And I'm seeing him, and I'm seeing the back tires kind of slip a little. I'm like, crap. We've never had anything make that pick up like that.
Well, you got 100 gallons of fresh water.
Oh.
And then you got my gray tank, one of them is mostly full because the tank over at Santos I couldn't pump out. So I got, say, 130 gallons of water, so we're at over 1,000 extra pounds too on top of what I normally would tow with.
Bruiser also wants to make sure that our home makes it safe. Do you think, Bulldog?
Back wheels of the forklift are literally off the ground a little bit. It's pretty crazy. Damn, man. Yeah, that forklift maybe do another 100 or 200 pounds otherwise.
Yeah, we're going to take it out. We're going to use the yellow one. That's a little heavier.
There's the puppies. Forklift wheels are bouncing. Wow. Literally off the ground.
The doggies were supervising. Whoa. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here.
So, with our rig in place, they assess the cap and they start ripping off the old sealant.
The truth is, I'm not really sure what happened.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove. And now you've got yourself something funky.
So, got the cap sealant off. And, yeah. Sucks seeing your baby ripped open. Let's see.
Probably only broke the thing, careful, Jason, because this thing lets go. I mean, this is loose on this side. Nice and easy.
Hell no.
Good news is the insulation's dry. This piece is falling down now. Yeah. Right here.
You can see all your wood right here too.
Mm-hmm.
Probably.
And then I have AC drips going in my face.
Yeah, those are ACs, man. When you're cranking them, they drip quite a bit.
Oh, they do. It's amazing. I can see all the way up inside. It's pretty. Do you need to come out a little bit more, buddy? Yeah, I can't get in there yet. There you go. Not many lots in the state of Florida that does this kind of stuff. Not on. He's out here. Actually, there. It's just this piece is all falling down. That's where the river fell.
So it seemed like everything was dry on the inside, which is a relief because the sealant was cracked and we had been in some rain and snow. And the insulation was there, but it had fallen down, so they were re-spraying and adhering it.
So where's the next trip, Sean?
We're heading south to...
Head down to the Keys again.
we gotta go back to Boca del Rey, and we got 6 shows almost every weekend we're doing. Gotta make some money and visit some family, and then we'll head west.
Alright, Rich. You take a look up there. What about the bottom of the box here? That didn't have insulation on it to begin with, did it? No. It didn't look like, it doesn't look like it ever did. What do you think, Sean?
I mean, the insulation looks good. I mean, my concern is up top, if somebody could take a look at that and make sure there's no moisture up top.
Well, you can tell. We gotta pull the whole thing off. If he wants us to check out the inside, the top, we have to pull the whole thing.
I mean, is there...
There's no way to do it without pulling the whole top off. Yeah, I don't see any signs of anything running. I don't see.
And it'll also puddle down here in the bottom of the pan.
67 for a week, you said.
So as I'm taking care of things on the outside, Caro is trying to find us our next home because we're in Florida, in season, and everything is booked up.
Oh my gosh, she sounds like she's fucking dying. It's $167 for a week, but you pay for your own electric.
So after they finished sealing our cap, I was taking a little look, and I was pretty disappointed in the way it looked. When they did it the first time, it looked like crap, and this time looks better, but it still doesn't look anything close to what the factory seal did, and that's a real bummer, especially considering that they were the ones that created the problem in the first place. So, unfortunately, knowing that it's not going to be perfect, I asked them to touch it up, and they were going to do that the next morning after this had set and dried, as well as finish up some other few items so that we could hit the road. Long day, getting things fixed on our rig. We're camping out here at Optimum, but seems like RV life is full of fixes. Gotta fix. So they sealed our cap back up. Looks a lot better. It's not gonna look as good as factory, unfortunately, but she does look a lot better. So just a few more things they gotta button up in the morning, and hopefully we'll be on our way to the next adventure. The Vespa had been left with one of the guys at Optimum for the last 5 days. He said he could fix it, and I went to check it out, and the exhaust was still loud as could be. So he wasn't able to fix it, so I shot it up the street to a scooter place, and unfortunately they weren't able to fix it either. So we've been running around with a really loud exhaust. Thanks for joining us on another episode. Tune into next episode as we try to fit into a regular gas station, and we head to a place called Ruskin, Florida, and test our luck to see if we can get into a campsite that's first come, first serve. Thanks for the love and support, and as always, like, subscribe, share with your crew, and if you can find a way to help us, go to roadwarriorlife.us and support us in one of the million ways you can.